Hello everyone. Whenever you install NX version which is newer than NX 12, you might have observed in the sketch they have made some changes. So in the sketcher environment, you can see we used to have the constraint tab here, which they have placed totally in this floating window. Some of us may find this is very tricky to use, and if you want the older version of the sketcher environment, what you can do, you just have to go in the file. In file, here you have utilities, and in utilities there is a early access feature. Just click on that. Once you enter into that, you will find here they are turn on this feature like use the newer solver and UI for the sketching. We don't want the newer solver, so what you can do, just right click on that and off turn it off. Okay, then click on OK. Hitting now NX, so it is asking us to restart the NX. So let's do that. Let me close this. Okay, let us restart the NX. Let me take the new file so that I can show you what are the changes they have made. If you go in the sketch, now you can see we have this geometric constraint option here. So you can use this geometric constraint and older sketcher environment. So that's it for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.